Now we come to Eastbourne. Well, Eastbourne was a joyride tramway on the seafront, and we had a day down there in 1959. We were met at the station by an open-top bus and taken to the tramway, which is 2 or 3 miles away in a place called Prince's Park. Surprising though it may seem, all the cars you're about to see are still running, because they're running here at Seaton. Converted from 2-foot gauge, which they were here, to 2'9" at Seaton. Originally they was built as double-deck toast racks. And that was car number 6, built in 1955. And we had a tour on car 7. The main differences being that 7 was constructed with 2 saloons either end, and number 6 was rebuilt to that design. But here the cars operate on a much longer route. At Eastbourne it was 5/8 of a mile long. At Seaton it's a 3-mile route. The conductor of this car is one John Barry, who has been to Australia, but at the time this film was taken he was a London Transport bus conductor, and he said he took more on a shift on an Eastbourne tram than he did in a day on a London bus. My girlfriend at the time, now my wife, just struggles off the car. And this was the outer terminus at the Crumbles, which was nowhere. They wanted to extend the line and never did get permission. Most people just rode there, stayed on the car and rode back to the Prince's Park Gates terminus. Negotiation of the staircases is an acquired art, but I can assure you if you do it 40 times a day you get used to it. That was the depot and works. There was a smaller depot which you'll see in a later shot. There's a tram coming from the Crumbles. There's in fact number 6 in its original condition. It passes the small depot which houses a couple of cars. Eastbourne tramways love sharp curves, and we've still got them at Seaton. And you'll see this to great effect in a second. The driver of our special was Claude Lane, the instigator of the whole business, and the conductor was a young man named Alan Gardner, who is now a manager here at Seaton. Since this film was taken, they built a new car at Eastbourne, number 8, which much the same design as 7, but very much bigger, and that ran for 2 days on test at Eastbourne. But came to Seaton and has done more work than any other car, and still running today. This whole system, Eastbourne and Seaton of course, very much based on London and Colwyn Bay Electric Railway.